Today you are living in harmony. How much affection you have in your son or daughter. They are affectionate as well because they are living here nicely with you. But in very next minute they can die. The son can die, the daughter can die, you can pass away, the whole family can perish. That love is also there. They are affectionate as well, but what is the outcome? What use is it? So where is the clan now? The whole life you have spent on these things only. Even if they worship but don't do the true worship, not according to the scriptures, and they do it according to the fake gurus, even that is useless. Once upon a time, a whole family in which there were 12 to 13 members only in one car. 12 to 13 members. Only one old member of the family was remaining at home. Rest were going to some saint satsang. They had been going to satsang for last 20-25 years. Either they were returning after listening to satsang or maybe they were going. I don't remember. In an accident, all those 12 people died. All the family members perished. Only the 70-year-old man remained. Now what is this?
ना जाने काल की कर डारे किस विद ढड़ जा पास आवे और जिन्हां दे सिर ते मौत खुड़क दी उन्हां नूं केड़ा हास आवे.
So in this bad world, the hope that you are living with is a big mistake of yours. And this mistake will be corrected by God by this true knowledge. Now God also knows this, that the three gunas, the pressure of the Triguni Maya, even Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh could not save themselves from that, so a human being cannot escape from this either. Now this human being requires the aid of God. So which God's aid? If you take the aid of Vishnu Ji, then Vishnu Ji is under the jurisdiction of Kal, and Kal has entrapped you. So you cannot escape this trap. If you worship Shankar Ji, even then you cannot escape the trap. If you worship Brahma, he himself is the one who has entrapped you in this trap. So he won't let you come to the path where you get salvation, because to keep you entrapped in his web is his aim, because he feels hungry, he is cursed. This Kal or Brahm is cursed, who says in Gita chapter number 11 verse number 32 that Arjun, I am Kal and I have now appeared to eat everyone. He actually entered into the body of Sri Krishna. This is what he does. So he has a curse to daily consume 1 lakh human bodies. And for that he has kept you in such a way, Kabir Sahib has told Dharamdas. Like a butcher rears goats and leaves male and female goats in a field. He builds a meadow for them, a reservoir of water for them, provides them with a shelter to protect them from heat, cold and hail. So those goats think that their owner is very kind, as he is taking good care of them. But those beings don't have enough intellect to judge that at the moment he is seeming very kind. But in the evening, or whenever there is a requirement, then whether it is someone's son, daughter, mother or father, he just takes them away by holding from their ears. So God has explained this to us, that you are in such a situation. To save oneself from this, Kabir Sahib says that you will all have to come to my refuge. Then I will get your names registered with myself from Kal. Then he will not ask anything from you. So for that you will have to take the refuge of Supreme God. And after taking the refuge, if you will abide by boundaries, then your children will also remain safe. God knows. It is not possible, whatever knowledge you may acquire, whatever effort they may put in, as there is a lot of pressure on you. Even then God has given a solution to it, has given an alternative. That be in my refuge.